Hello and welcome back to another i.c.e video. Today I'm going to be telling you how to slow-mo record on your iPhone. Now slow-mo is kind of not really new feature for iPhone. You can do it on iPad as well. But it's just pretty simple, so I'm just going to teach you guys how to do that today. So the first step is going to be opening up your camera app. And as you can see all the way to the left, it says slow-mo. You're just going to want to tap that. And you're in slow-mo. This is slow-mo. Now, I always like to record my slow-mos with my camera like this instead of in a portrait mode, just because it's kind of wider and I just kind of like it better like that. So before we actually record the slow-mo for this video, I just want to tell you guys that when you're recording a slow-mo, it takes, there's like a 2-second gap almost between when the video starts and the slow-mo kicks in. So what I like to do is when I record my slow-mo, I press record, I wait for 1 to 2 seconds, and then I do the action that I want to be in slow-mo. I do that action, and then I wait another 1 to 2 seconds after, kind of as like a still second, so that when the video is edited by your phone to make it slow-mo, there's a little 2-second gap where it goes back to normal speed, and we don't want that to be part of the slow-mo that we just recorded. So I'm going to give you an example right now. So I'm in slow-mo, and I'm going to press the slow-mo button. Wait till the timer up there gets to 2. 1, 2. Now I'm going to drop this pen. Okay, and we got it in frame, and then I'm just going to wait 1, 2, and cancel it. Then, now we can watch it. So I started the video, and as you can see, there's kind of like, it's in slow-mo already because I've waited 2 seconds. So that's good. We might have to speed up a little bit. And you can always edit this in photos after, and I'll show you how to do that. So it's playing. There's the pen in slow-mo dropping from my hand. And then here are the 2-ish seconds that I waited after dropping the pen, this big gap at the bottom. So what you can do is, if you don't want to wait, how long was this? 1 minute and 4 seconds just to watch this one pen drop. At the bottom, there's a button that says edit. If you press that, you get put into this edit, and you can add like effects, like auto effects, exposure. You can add filters, you can crop it. But we're going to press the video, and we're going to just use our finger and drag over all the way until we see the pen. We see the pen. Now we're going to back up a bit. So there's kind of like an intro. And then we're going to, from the right side of the video, we're going to hold down with our finger and drag until we see the pen. If it's going to let us. So we just saw the pen drop. Now we're going to just give it a couple extra seconds so the video doesn't end right away. And then once we have the clip that we wanted, we can press play to view it. All right, so this is the clip that I selected. So that's the clip, and I kind of like it, how there's kind of like a start and an end, and it's not just the pen dropping. So I'm going to press done, and I'm just going to press save video. And then it'll take a second, preparing. Now it's saved, and now that video is just this now 20-second long clip instead of 1 minute and 8 seconds, or however long it was. So that's going to be the video for today. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for subscribing. We are almost at our goal of 300 subscribers by 2022. Leave a like and subscribe, and have a good day.